What is it you imagine when you imagine your dream Dumbo home? Is it a penthouse? Do you want to feel like you could touch the bridges from your terrace? Views of Manhattan? Your terrace should be enormous, so you can invite all of your friends to watch the boats go by with you.
I'm thinking if you're coming to Dumbo, you want a loft with high ceilings. Better yet, a corner loft. An amazing view from your living room that continues into the primary bedroom. Bespoke design details. These were actually made by an artist in Dumbo. Imagine waking up to this. Truly amazing. Oh, I'm sorry, I got distracted. Back to business. A fully outfitted walk-in closet, a grand ensuite primary bathroom with a deep soaking tub, a separate shower, and timeless finishes.
And you'll need a chef's kitchen with high-end appliances, like a Sub-Zero refrigerator. I just whipped this up. Go enjoy the view. I'll take it from here. This second bedroom's massive and features an ensuite bathroom and a Dumbo rarity for these converted loft buildings, a true windowed third bedroom, a charming powder room, and a laundry room off your entry hallway. I thought I'd find you here.
Where else would I be?